We are today at 216 Lafayette Street in Locust Grove, conducting a QC inspection on a beautiful home. Architectural shingles are holding up very well. Appears to be a recently replaced roof. No challenges structurally. Home is really in good shape. I would recommend that before we get marketing out here, we do a final cut so we get the best pictures available to our marketing team. The deck is solid. I walked up there. There's a couple of planks that could be fastened a little bit better, and of course this far right support appears to be leaning out to the right, but again, it appeared to be structurally sound when I was up on top of it. In this door is our crawl space. In there we'll find our interior AC unit, which does not have an air filter at all, nor does it have a spare. Obviously I would have put that in while I was crawling under there. The water heater is also underneath the home in the crawl space, wrapped up tight with a thermal blanket. Good looking AC unit is working very well. I'm going to go ahead and push it back up to 82 degrees. I know we had agreed to go down to 78 for showing purposes, but I just don't want it on a whole bunch with the possibility of it causing damage without an air filter. I will leave the ceiling fans on. Let's take a look inside. Laminate flooring. Starting to buckle in a couple of places. It's very humid inside. I would recommend we get the AC fixed as soon as possible as far as having that air filter installed. You sure don't want that return sucking up things into the unit. It's going to destroy it. Appliances all working well. The broiler pan and broiler pan rack is missing from the stove oven. It's a little corridor between the garage, vestibule if you will, where we have the washer dryer area. Doggy door. There's also one on the entrance into the dining area. Challenge with the garage door is that the garage door opener does not engage the garage door. It lifts it about 1.5 feet and drops it. I'm going to need an adjustment on that. You notice this heavy stains to the right and the left of the attic access. I did not see evidence of recent damage. Hopefully that's just previous damage. Our interior doggy door. This is a carbon monoxide sensor that's up about 9.5 feet off the ground. Carbon monoxide is a heavy gas, meaning that it stays lower to the ground than smoke. This was a previous laundry area, as you can tell by the faucets that are right there. Also an outlet. But they've turned it into a pantry. Master suite. 2 different closets. One of them a walk-in lighted closet. Obviously we're showing some touch up there. Some drywall screws left in the wall, some marks. But it does not affect its being market ready and able to rent. All in all, a good looking home. Biggest concern is just protect the AC by making sure that we get that air filter in. Let's take a look at a couple of bedrooms, one more bathroom. This is our saving grace. This is a properly mounted carbon monoxide sensor, roughly 7 foot, maybe 6.5 foot off the ground. It's a combination carbon monoxide slash smoke detector. Very efficient. Every one of the bedrooms has a smoke detector mounted within 3 feet of the entry. That concludes our inspection here at 216 LaFayette.